Welcome to another episode of Not for the Weak-Minded. This is an update on my latest blueprint, just to show you how far I've got. I'm a quarter done, and the details, which you can see, well, paint a completely different picture to what we've been told about the Earth. It has, in my opinion, been engineered, and that a lot of places where water is today, there was not at one point in time. So the Great Flood happened, and this quarter already, in my mind, proves without a shadow of a doubt that everything we've been taught is a lie. The question is the North Pole is supposedly got no land mass and is just an ice sheet. So is this the North Pole? Second of all, I can only map as far as this, as I have done already, and the things I've mapped out by it are ships. There's another ship there, and there's a really big ship down here, like massive. So I don't know which way it's got to go round yet, and so I'm gonna have to do both, where it's either A, pardon me, around the edge, come here, it's the ice with no land mass, or that this is now inverted, and that this itself, just like in my other drawing, in the bottom will go around like that instead, and it'll be one solid wall going around the Earth with everything going this way inside it, meaning that anything out this side is now inside here. So I don't know which way it goes. There's a lot to work out still, but I'm just showing you that this is my update, my drawing. Now there's a couple of mistakes I made, and that's this one here. It should be one down, and also this one here should be one down. Miscounted by one. Never mind. It's just an example. Essentially, I've done more today, and so I've done this bit and this bit today. It's coming along nicely. I estimate that by the time I finish this one and then start the next one to see which way it goes, it's probably going to take me up to mid-January, roughly. So stay tuned. Much more to come. Please share, like and subscribe.